Do your face, do your face. Do your face, go.
Okay. Don't move, okay?
No. Huwag, baka mga ti, huwag. Ilagay mo sa kamay mo. Just put in here.
Is it picturing?
Yeah.
Oh.
Give me.
Here, let me try.
Wanna do it? Please.
Just leave it.
You do it after.
Kasi,
Down.
Leave it. No.
Oh.
It was on you.
Ay, nakipaglaro sa inyo yan. Oh. Nakipaglaro sa inyo yan.
You look like a poly pro now.
Pro yan eh. Pro yan si ate.
Oh, it's been so warm without you here. Wow, where's that food? Over there. This.
Galing ah. Ba't maaga na yan?
Maaga.
Nagklase kayo? Regular, no?
Ate, Kuya said you were late because you had soccer practice.
Why? You have soccer too?
I wanted to play soccer, but I didn't have my clothes. So I didn't.
Yeah, you know, soccer is much better than basketball, I think.
Soccer is so much running.
Oh yeah, but
So much more.
I love soccer.
but the team is really great.
What are you doing? That's disgusting. Do you guys bring my good basketball?
Yeah, I bring it.
That's disgusting.
You brought the black one.
Yeah.
Wow, I see my good one.
No, give to them.
Okay. Are you okay?
Hold it.
Hey,
Hold it with your hand.
Don't hold it.
bata pa yung butterfly na yun. Oh, bitawan mo na. Kawawa naman siya. Huwag yung patawin.
Don't kill it.
Huwag yung patawin.
It needs air.
Okay, pass.
Hinanap yan sa ano. Mama and dad niya, hinanap siya. Huwag yung patawin.
We won't kill it.
Somewhere.
Guys, play the wall.
Do you know where?
You guys take her wings off?
Because do you know where to go, Duna?
Then why can't he fly? Donna, just put it on your finger.
Guys, move right away. Just move right away.
Oh man.
Huwag yung patayin ha. Oh, just leave that in the grass, okay?
Yep.
Oh my god.
Kasi may ano rin yan.
Okay. We'll move out.
Where do you go?